Hey, Chef Perry here again from ChefPerryPerkins.com and the My Kitchen Outreach Program. I'm a third-generation chef, culinary instructor, and author of the Home Chef series, and I'm here to help you create amazing, simple, and affordable dishes for your family. So yeah, a lot of the issues we see are improper knife handling, and we see a lot of this with the finger on there, and the problem is when you have that finger on there, you get this. You have no rudder on your knife. You have nothing controlling whether your knife, and if your knife slips off something, especially if you're cutting a carrot or a turnip or something hard, you're going to get a lot of slippage like this. We see that, and then we see this, and again, you've got the same problem. You really have no rudder. A knife should be held, it should be cradled in your hand with your thumb here and your index finger here, and you're almost letting it hang there. It's really just kind of rocking back and forth in your hand so that you have, because that way you have complete control over it, because it's not the front to back that gets you, it's the side to side. It slips side to side, and the next thing you know, you've got your finger. So if you have it like this, you just can do a very simple rocking motion. So that's one, is the knife hand, holding the knife properly, and the other is what to do with this hand, because this is the hand that usually gets cut. So what we show folks to do, and the sausage isn't necessarily the best one to do this with, but we'll do it, is you want to keep these fingers curled back, and you want to use this part of your knuckle as a guide. So you put your fingers here, you rock them forward, just kind of do it in slow-mo, and you see I can't cut my fingertips because they're curled back under out of the way. So you'll never cut yourself if you do those two things. You hold your knife properly so you have control over the side to side, and you keep these fingers curled back and out of the way and use these knuckles as a guide. And even if you do slip and trim a little bit of skin off of that finger right there, trust me, I know that doesn't hurt nearly as bad as a fingertip cut. I've done both many, many times, and I can attest I'd much rather skin my knuckle a little bit than take off the end of a finger. Thanks for joining me again, and be sure to pick up a copy of my book, The Home Chef, Transforming the American Kitchen. It's full of professional chefs' tips and tricks for taking your cooking to the next level at home. See you next time. This is Chef Perry.